So I'm Darlene, I'm the Business Development Manager for Brickworks in WA. Things we're seeing a lot of, colours are very soft and muted, textures also very agricultural, welcoming colours. Even in masonry products where you've got maybe something that's a very hard item, having a softness to that tactile approach. We've seen we talked a lot about landscaping, integrated landscaping, which is one of my personal favourites. The vertical integration of landscaping on large scale, a really beautiful way to live, and creating that mindfulness and wellness, which seems to be a topic that every style or theme seems to come back to: sustainability, wellness, and having that comfort in your home.